Rome, Shirihama, Seoul, New York, Jerusalem. The common denominator, mosaics. Or to be more precise, all these cities are home to important works of art by Scuola Mosaicisti del Friuli, the Mosaic School of Friuli, in Spilimbergo. Founded in 1922 with the aim of widening its horizons, stepping outside of its geographical boundaries and opening itself up to the world of art and architecture, in a very short time, the school became the international point of reference for mosaic art. But the school's reputation does not only rest on its great works of art housed across the world. The competence and professionalism of the craftsmen who refine their expertise in Spilimbergo and have over the years become international ambassadors of mosaic art has also made the difference. Understanding mosaic art involves acquiring a detailed knowledge of the formulas of composing, being familiar with the materials, and being able to move easily between different artistic contexts in a continuous dialogue between past and present. Courses at the Scuola Mosaicisti del Friuli last 3 years. They are designed to stimulate students by combining the core subjects, mosaic and terrazzo, with technical, scientific and cultural training, to ensure that future mosaicists will be able to make independent choices and to understand or even guide future trends in the world of work. During the first year, the students encounter the knowledge, techniques and originality of the mosaics of antiquity. While learning how to use a martellina, a special mosaic hammer, and a hardy, fundamental tools for the mosaicist, they study and copy mosaics of the Greco-Roman world, works that reveal the mastery, imagination and skillful design of their creators. The second year is dedicated to the study of medieval and modern mosaic techniques, starting with the Byzantine era, whose figurative and ornamental subjects are interpreted and copied with enamels and golds. Students are then trained in the technique of back-to-front on-paper mosaic, composing modern and academic subjects. Finally, contemporary techniques are introduced, often interpreting figurative subjects of the 20th century. The mosaics created in the third year may express new ideas or interpret contemporary works of art. Present-day mosaic art meditates on compositional and chromatic structures, so revealing its potential as an autonomous form of communication, a new language expressed as rhythms and alternations made up of tesserae and graph lines. It experiments with the materials themselves, with spatial patterns, and with light, colour and movement, also applying scientific theories of visual perception. Now free to cut the tesserae as they see fit, students can create tiles of varying depths and sizes, playing with different levels of protrusion from the base, so creating new textures and new evocative effects. Third-year students have the opportunity to further explore techniques and creativity through workshops and masterclasses with contemporary artists and designers, where experimentation is encouraged without ever forgetting the origins of this ancient art. Mosaic art has flourished in the Friulian foothills since the 15th century. Here, the stones and pebbles of Cellina, Meduna and Tagliamento, the river symbol of Friuli, have become seminato and terrazzo flooring, thanks to the industriousness and ingenuity of the Friulian workshops and mosaicists. Indeed, the Scuola Mosaicisti del Friuli was founded in 1922 as a direct result of the success and the wealth of knowledge of the Friulian mosaicists of the 19th and 20th centuries. Today, it is part of a continuous evolution, a vital current, where a special blend of professional relationships and cultural exchanges combine to promote mosaic art, both by exporting it nationally and internationally, and by attracting attention in the region through initiatives and events organized at the Spilimbergo venue, which every year welcomes many thousands of visitors from across the world. Throughout the year, there are guided tours of the school gallery, featuring works that illustrate the mosaic techniques and subjects of every age, and of the classrooms and laboratories. So visitors can experience both the mosaic heritage as documented by the gallery and the exciting atmosphere of this crucible of contemporary mosaic creation. The school also offers an introductory course to mosaics, where the basic techniques are taught by qualified mosaicists to students interested in getting some initial hands-on experience of the mosaic craft. In addition, the yearly Mosaico and Mosaici exhibition is very well attended and is a further confirmation of the school's status as a point of reference for cultural tourism in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Today, the school is aware of its roots and celebrates mosaic art as an expression of both cultural values and technical skill. Here, study, research, experimentation, and the use of the most innovative technologies attest to its ability to grow and evolve, remaining at the forefront of mosaic art in the contemporary world.